Now we're back here on stage at the Productronica 2021 show. And this is another session of JUKI talking about something that is going outside of JUKI, which is strategic alliances with the best for customer success. Now on the stage I'm welcoming Bastian Glückselig on the left. He's product manager for Pick and Place at JUKI. And Stephan Leng, who is the product manager for soldering solutions and for screen printing solutions of JUKI. Continuing with Vidal, our colleague from Portugal, who is in sales. And new on stage, Wolfgang Thinius. He has been with JUKI for, I believe, 17 years. And he is now the manager of our demo center. Now let's hear what the strategic alliances are that JUKI is having for best customer success.
Thank you, Claudia. Thank you, guys, once again. Thank you, Wolfgang, for joining us. So it is quite a bold expression when we say that we are partners of the best in this industry. So what I would like to ask you, Bastian, starting with you. We do rely on some strategic partnerships in order to provide the very best solutions to our customers. Now, why exactly is this so relevant for our customers, that we can cooperate with such strong partners in different fields? Yeah?
Exactly, for our customers. Thank you for this question, Rui. This is important to know because JUKI has decided to go with the best available partners in the world, wherever JUKI is not the perfect manufacturer or the professional supplier for. So we decided to go for different suppliers to be our partner and to be the partner of our customers. This is on the one hand, we provide some strength because we don't produce something you can't rely on. We just pick everything we need for our systems to pass them over to our customers.
Right.
This is to combine the strengths on the market, of course, and on the other hand, to provide a total solution. And a total solution you can rely on. This is an important fact for me, and just imagine our normal customer, EMS supplier, EMS manufacturer. They do not have an own IT professional, or perhaps they do not have an own project manager for something like building up a new line. And there we step in with our partners and be something like a one-stop shop.
Right.
So you have only one guy from JUKI to speak with for your solution you need.
Yes, definitely. But behind there are quite significant resources made available by our partners. That would be, it's common sense. It would be impossible for a single company to be, let's say, among the best in every single step of the process. So yeah, thank you, Stephan. In your case, you are a product manager. You are in charge of the systems provided by our partner JUKI and
Right.
JT.
Yep.
I would like to ask you to talk a little bit about your experience with this partnership. How positive is this partnership? And yeah.
Yeah, it's extremely positive. As some of you know, I joined JUKI 2 years ago, and of course, one of the first thing was to get known to all the relevant people, and I really receive a big support of GKG and JT, so they are available nearly all the time. So I think even these guys don't sleep, and they answer. Even when it's night at their location, I get an immediate feedback, and it's really nice to work with these guys. They also are willing to push forward some innovations. They also hear what we say, and I really appreciate the support I get from them. Yeah. So it's a great teamwork. We're also testing some options together, share our experience. So it's really what it's meant to have a teamwork.
Yeah, I know that you have been into some big competitions together with JUKI in one of the biggest, let's say, providers worldwide. Doesn't matter who, but yeah. And do you? It's obviously a different pace in terms of requirements. The evolution of the requirements is different when we think about Asia or we think about Europe.
Yeah.
What is your feeling in regard to how does JUKI react to this different market in terms of requirements?
Of course, they're waiting a bit what's worth to be realized, but in any way, and I guess you can agree as well, they really tried to support. So we had meetings together with the customer, and so they supported us as good as they could. And it was really a great experience to see how they act and what they did in the background.
I feel the exact same, yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wolfgang, I would like to ask you, so you've been around for a few decades now in this industry. You are contacting with customers in a daily basis for demos and so on. In your feeling, how do customers consider this, let's say, this decision from JUKI to rely on strategic partnerships to, at the end of the day, to make it happen according to customer?
Yeah, I see this in the last years, more and more questions coming from the customer to me and ask me for control systems, control in the complete production line. And we at JUKI, we have many control system under separately machines, maybe printer or on the machines also. But for more control software, we have the good partner. This is Cogiscan, and with Cogiscan we have created also the feed intelligence and also the PFC, production floor control. Production floor control is by JUKI. This is the complete control from printer, by the machine, by oven, and all another. Not reality. JUKI products also GKG and.
Yeah. So through our partnerships, we are making life easier to customer. Not only, let's say, on the shop floor in terms of operation, we are actually supporting the management level with total control of everything.
Total control, absolutely total control. And you want to see maybe traceability. It's more and more. It's coming traceability also by small companies.
Right.
By big companies, yes, okay. By small companies, coming more and more, coming the complete traceability control, also trace, track, and control. And by JUKI, the line solution, this is the concept, and with 100% control. Yeah.
So just like Bastian was saying earlier, this is the case where JUKI is combining strengths with partners. Most of the times customers, especially small customers, will not have the size and the resources to make things happen at the very best level that is possible, and this is what basically JUKI is doing through these partnerships, is making available the level of expertise and resources that is required for any customer to provide to perform let's say excellently.
Yeah, exactly, Rui, to have at the end of the day a holistic system, as Wolfgang said, with track, trace and control. We have all the big data needed for Industry 4.0, and this is the important thing. We can provide these solutions, which you can also add a deck printer, let's say, to your line, and we also can track, trace and control the deck printer. Right. So we are also offering an open system.
Yeah. Okay, so it's definitely the case where JUKI and partners are stronger together. This is definitely the case.
Yeah,
definitely.
Absolutely.
Okay, thank you. Are there any news among our partners' portfolio that you guys would like to maybe mention? Any specific news?
Yeah, some I'm not allowed to share right now, but of
That's
course.
That's always a problem.
Yes, but of course in the background we are working also to get everything smarter, to get more data available, even from from non-JUKI machines. So there will be some news next year
Yeah.
in any way.
I guess with just like with JUKI,
Yeah.
there are a lot of things that will come up soon. Unfortunately, our customers and will just have to stick around in order to get to know it. It's not yet the time to reveal everything, right?
Yeah.
I just can say be surprised and see what's coming up. I can tell you a little bit of what's on the pipeline for JUKI. We are working on a system, let's call it single or operatorless system, even when the software provides you the easiness of operation. Just some small words from the pipeline. Be surprised and just contact us for details in the future. Yeah.
That's it. Thank you. Any further comments? Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you,
very
Ray.
much.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Jerry, for your support.